Please stand in attention for the national anthem. Now, our VIP will inspect the various contingents assembled here for the march past, accompanied by the parade commander S.W.K.H.D.
Nanta ukongsan unsalait benjungo ikikin hun parit. Paper kibalawan bensim menta kini kesingi. Hapo kajingilam jisendran jong parit commander SIRH coach.
It is my privilege to introduce to you all our VIP for today, Shri Kamingwan Umbon, Honorable Cabinet Minister, Government of Meghalaya. He is the Minister in charge of Cooperation Department, Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, Home, Civil Defense and Home Guards Department, and Water Resources Department.
Substitution. Ukongsan kini kesingi juni, singa yo juni.
We will now witness the Guard of Honor and March Past, which will be presented with a salute to our national flag, the tricolor, the symbol of our freedom, unity, and pride.
Menta ning Syiemlieh ni Guard of Honor berkematch pas dari kasau teli kinun maper kum kedak kejing lai lut kejing teli kejing sarong jangkarin dia.
Leading the parade this morning is our parade commander, S.W.K.H.D. The first contingent approaching the saluting base is the Southwest Khasi Hills District Police Executive Force, led by Platoon Commander S.W.K.H.D. Marching with discipline and precision, representing the guardians of law and order in our district. Next is the NCC Syiemlieh College, commanded by Captain Rosemary Carlindo, showcasing the spirit of discipline, leadership, and service to the nation. Following them are the Nativity Scouts, led by Captain. Next, we have the Mawkyrwat Presbyterian Secondary School, led by Captain Syiemlieh at the lead. Following them is the Carolyn Secondary School contingent, commanded by Captain Khasi Lingdor. Here comes the Christian Principal Secondary School, led by Captain Naitang. Next in line is the Maharam Government Higher Secondary School contingent under the Captain Pynskhemlang. Concluding the event's march past, marching with pride, courage and enthusiasm is the Lingdor Wanyang Secondary School, led by Captain Lingdor.
Krish mo dewa, hal itu kita yang sing, pada slow, ya jeng crowd jeng kiri ini, pat kita meroy kamar di Banten, pat kita sawan, ada di jalan jadi Meghalaya. Saya sih Krish mo dia, curi di contingents kita yang hamnya, Krish mo, dan depan kita semua saya sih macam ini, pakai ada Krish tam, kalau kita macam kita jadi dulu. Di kunjung ke depan no, ini di Version mentah culture program seperti yang dibalaknya berkembang mentah isi pengisano culture program macam ni. Kumai.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.